Good morning children, myself Purnima Dikshit ma'am, your science teacher is here today with chapter number 10, Adaptations, How Animals Survive. As you know children, in my previous video we have studied about the types of animals, and in this you have learned about the types of animals such as some are invertebrates and some are vertebrates. So moving ahead with the same topic about the vertebrates, we have learned about the amphibians, reptiles and mammals in my previous video. So children, today in my today's class, children, we are going to learn about the animals, where the animals live. Here it is given in your textbook about this page. Just go through this page and see. And here we are going to continue with this topic today. And children, in this today we are going to learn about the animals living in different regions. So let us see those animals which are living in land, water and in air. What are these animals called and what are their features? As in a particular area an animal is living, and that's why they are having a particular kind of feature in their body to survive in that particular region. So let us learn about those animals, children. Animals can be found on land, in water and even in air. This is the first thing which you are going to learn about in today's class. So animals are also found in all regions of the earth, such as plains, deserts, mountains, high mountains and even in forest. So children, animals can be divided into many groups. And here I have written down and arranged the board for you all to know about the land animals. Then we will talk about the aquatic animals. Then we will learn about the animals that live on land as well as in water. And fourth, we will learn animals that live mostly in air. And in the fifth group, we will learn about the animals that live mostly on trees. So children, in today's class you will learn the features of these animals and what are these animals called as they are living in a particular region. So first we start with the kind of animals which are living on land. Just pay attention and see. Animals such as dogs, cows, lions, horses and elephants spend most of their time on land and are called terrestrial animals. As you know children, these animals are living on land. So what do we call these animals, children? We call them terrestrial animals, those which are living on land. So next we move on to the aquatic animals. Children, aquatic animals, what are they? Let us learn. Animals such as fish, octopus, crab, dolphin and whales live in water. Children, you know that they are living in water. So they are called aquatic animals. Basically, they have some kind of a special features, children, for them to breathe in water. As you must be surprised how they are living in water and how they are breathing. So they have certain kinds of features in their body. Let's see what are the features. Some animals like aquatic animals, most of the aquatic animals breathe with tiny slits and those are called gills. What are they called? Gills. And children, two more animals like whales, dolphins, they breathe through lungs. And in my previous video I have explained you about the whales and dolphins. They are mammals. What are they? Mammals. As they are taking care of their young and they are breathing the young ones. So they are mammals. Whales and dolphins. So what they are breathing through? They are breathing through lungs. So most aquatic animals swim with the help of fins or pedals. As you know, they are living in water. So they have fins and pedals to help them move in water. And they are able to swim properly with the help of fins and pedals. So children, moving on to the third group, that is animals that live on land as well as in water. As you remember children, we have discussed about the amphibians. The amphibians are those animals which are able to survive on land as well as in water. So for living in these two places, they have special kind of features. Let us see what are the features, children, about the amphibians. You know, that amphibians like frogs, toads have certain features to live both on land and in water. They breathe through lungs when on land and through moist skin when in water. So these are the two things which you have learned, children, about the amphibians, that they are living in water as well as they are able to live on land. And they have two features for this to survive on land and in water, as they breathe through lungs when they are on land and they breathe through moist skin when in water. So remember this, children, this is the main feature about the amphibians. Next we move on to the animals that live mostly in air. What are the animals like? You know, birds, bats, and these animals are living and flying up in the air with the help of the wings, as the wings help them to fly high up in the sky. Clear, children? So you can say a bat is actually a mammal with wings. So among the birds, one animal which is bat is a mammal, and it flies with the help of the wings. So remember, among the aerial animals, those are known as aerial animals. These are known as aerial animals, the animals which fly in the air. Remember, those animals which fly in the air are known as aerial animals. So you have come to know about this. Next group we are talking about today is animals that live mostly on trees. Children, some animals you know like monkeys, chimpanzees and polar bear spend most of their time on trees, and they are called arboreal animals. What are they called, children? Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are land animals and breathe through lungs. They are living on land and they are staying on trees as well. So they breathe through lungs. So in all, I hope you have understood the 5 kinds of groups where the animals are living. First you learned about the land animals. Those who live on land are known as terrestrial animals. Then you learn about the aquatic animals. Those which are living in water are known as aquatic animals. Then you learned about the animals which are living on land as well as in water, and those animals are called amphibians. Remember this. And then you learned about certain animals that live mostly in air, and those animals are called aerial animals. And lastly, you learned, children, about the animals that live mostly on trees. And children, what are they called? They are known as arboreal animals. Remember the difference, children. The animals which are living in air are called aerial animals, and the animals which are living mostly on trees are called arboreal animals. These two things don't mix up. Remember this clearly. Okay? And I hope with the help of this, children, you have learned about where animals live. Clear about the various types of groups where the animals are living. And certainly you must be watching some of the animals in your own society. And at the end of my video, I would just like to make a request to you all that you must take care of animals around your house, as you can give them some little bit of food from your side, and you must love animals and take care of them if it is possible for you. And I hope you are able to understand the various kind of groups I have explained you today. With the help of this video today, which I have explained you, children, try to understand the topic where I have explained you about the terrestrial animals, about the aquatic animals, about the amphibians, then about the aerial animals, and lastly we came to know about the arboreal animals. So go through the video again, children, and try to understand what features help them to survive in these particular regions and how they are able to survive with the kind of features they have in their body. So I hope you understand the topic well and have enjoyed my class today. So thank you for now. Have a nice day.